Ah, what a lovely locomotive. The Shay. Well, since I am planning on building an outdoor O-gauge layout that models the business plan of the Little River Railroad and Lumber Company that ran in Tennessee and much of what is now the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, I might have to get a shay to run a logging train. Of course, I'll have to run freight and passenger trains too. But hey, that's part of the business plan of the Little River Railroad. Yup. At least I won't need a 3-truck shay like that.